fresh faces. In today's haircare segment, I am here to show you a very simple henna preparation which can be easily done at home. So before getting into the segment, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. Nowadays, white hairs, grey hairs, frizzy hairs and dry hairs are almost a common problem for many youngsters. So to remove these grey hairs, most of them do chemical powdering which have lots of side effects. So instead of using all those chemicals, we can do a simple alternative which can be easily done at home. That is nothing but a Ayurvedic henna paste. So this is a traditional way of hair coloring which is done from old ages itself. Most of them will be very much familiar of doing this henna pack, but I am showing this video for all those persons who doesn't know how to do a henna pack which is easily done at home, and you'll get a parlor-like finish which can be easily obtained in your own home without any cost. I am taking Banjara's henna pack. You can take any henna pack which is available online or offline, or you can buy in your commercial stores and supermarkets too. Next here, I have taken a decoction of coffee and tea. We prepare this decoction by boiling 2 glasses of water and adding 2 to 3 spoons of tea powder and coffee powder into this water, and we are boiling this water up to 10 to 15 minutes so that we will be getting a concentrated form of this tea and coffee. Instead of using coffee, you can also use tea, but it is very much important to use this decoction for getting a very good color of this henna paste. So here I have directly added the coffee powder to it so that you will be getting an extra color while you are adding and boiling the coffee powder. So now we are going to add this to this powder. Also, if you are having amla powder, you can also add amla powder to this pack. It is highly optional, but if you add amla powder, it strengthens your hair. You can also buy amla powder from your commercial market. So this decoction has to be cooled down and then only you have to add it. Then the next ingredient which has to be added is curd and lemon. So here I have added 3 spoons of curd. So the next ingredient which has to be added is lemon. So I am taking 1 full size lemon and I am going to squeeze this juice into this pack. Remove all the seeds from this lemon and then squeeze this juice completely to this pack. So this lemon and curd act as a very good conditioner to your hair and also prevent dandruff too. So the next ingredient which has to be added is 2 spoons of coconut oil to prevent drying of your hair. Now mix everything thoroughly to form a thick paste. So all the ingredients which I have said is mandatory, especially the decoction of coffee and tea, which helps to give you an extra color to this henna paste and which definitely covers all your grey hairs to your black hairs as well. This paste should be in a medium consistency. So while mixing, if you want a little amount of water, gently prepare the decoction and just add to this mixture so that it is neither too thick. Then again mix it well. If you want, you can use your hands also for mixing. I am just using the spoon. So now the pack is complete. You can see the texture. So normally I used to take this old bowl for the preparation of henna pack. So this should be the texture. If it's loose means it starts dripping off. If it's too tight means it's difficult for us to apply to the hair strands. So this paste should be in this medium consistency. Normally in traditional ways, people used to keep this henna pack in iron pot. If you go to parlor, they won't reveal the secret ingredient which they are using. So now I'll be revealing the secret ingredient, that is nothing but your nails, your old nails. So if you're having any old nails or screws or anything which belongs to this iron family, directly place this into this mixture. So the purpose of using this nails or screws, that will give an extra dark shade to your henna pack and increases the color of your henna so that it starts to activate very well, and the texture of your hair and the texture of this henna pack will be very much different and it will be very much dark also. Also, do not forget to remove the nail before use. Now let us tightly close this and keep it aside minimum 12 hours. So I'll be keeping this overnight completely. So yes, so today I'm going to unwrap the cover, that is the next day. So after placing it for overnight 12 hours, we can see the consistency. So the last ingredient which I'm going to add is, as you all know, that is your egg. So this is highly optional. So if you don't like the smell of egg, you can either use egg white, and as this ingredient act as an extra conditioner to this henna pack. Yes, now your henna pack is ready to use. Also, don't forget to take the nail while you are using this pack. Depending upon your hair length and thickness, you have to use the desired quantity of henna powder. So this pack is not only used for converting your grey hairs to black hairs, this pack is also used for giving extra nourishment and strength to your hair follicles. So you have to apply this hair pack onto your hair and leave it for 45 to 50 minutes. And after 45 to 50 minutes, you can wash it with you can wash your hair by using mild shampoo. Try to use this hair pack once in a month. Extra chemicals and extra harmful products for your hair. Please do try out this natural hair coloring, and I do recommend this henna hair pack to all.